Hey guys, I'm excited. I just got this in the mail. It's the blackout kit for this OEM sport wheels. I'm excited. I picked it up from the seller on eBay, Cool Tint 604. Uses high quality vinyl, Avery, so it should be really good. They're computer cut, so it should be spot on. I'm excited. I think the black wheels will really pop on the new Accords. My car is silver, so I think that's a good color scheme, the black and silver. So I'm really excited. Look really nice. The seller also offers a ton of other blackout stuff for the new Accord, so definitely check him out. I'll put a link in the description below, and I'll get on the install and see what I think, and you guys tell me what you guys think too. Thanks. So here what I'm doing, I'm just cleaning the wheel really good. I used alcohol cleaner just to clean it really good. I mainly focus on the polished parts. If you guys had more time, probably clean the whole wheel, but you'll see my wheel's pretty dirty. So I just pull off one of the decals here, and don't worry if you don't get it on right. As you'll see, I messed it up a couple times. It comes right off, and it doesn't really set in until you use the heat. So here what I do, I just try to line like the corner up as best I can. And a trick I learned is you want to overhang the top edge just a tad, because the polished part actually goes up on the flat part of the wheel. So then when you apply the heat, then you kind of set it down. Takes a couple tries though. As I went around the car, I got better at it, of course, so don't get frustrated with it. It is pretty simple to use, and the vinyl is awesome as far as with the built-in air channels. I didn't really believe too much about that until I used this stuff. It's great. If you have air pockets, you can just rub them with your finger and most of them come right out. And if not, pull the vinyl and then use your finger, get the air out of it. It's fine. And here, what I'm doing is just taking a blow dryer. Once I have it set how I want, then I just heat it up and then use my finger to push it on the wheel. Not too bad at all. Again, until you use the heat, you can take it off, realign it. I did that a couple times and doesn't mess it up. The heat is what really sets it in. And then once it's on with the heat, it's stuck pretty hard. So make sure before you use a heat gun or blow dryer that you like the look. So I just line it up and kind of look at it. And if it looks great, then just go ahead and put it down. But it's really easy stuff to work with. And it changes it just from doing this one spoke. It is a big difference, I think. And it took me about, I'd say 5 minutes to do each spoke. So you figure 25 minutes a wheel. So I would say give yourself like an hour and a half to do the whole car. It took me about that time. I got a little bit quicker. And you will see, like, I'm not extremely picky, so you can see a little bit, maybe some particles underneath, some dust, whatever it is. But I wasn't trying to get it perfect because, again, I didn't clean my wheel 100%. I just cleaned mainly the polished portions where it's going to stick. But for the wheels, I think it's great. It looks awesome. The quality of the vinyl looks spot on. When I put it on, I can't even tell where the vinyl stops and starts at. It's that direct of a match. So if you guys are thinking about doing this, I would definitely check the seller out. Cool Tint 604 on eBay. Again, I'll put the link in the video. Great customer service. I bought it, mailed it the very next day. It's from California, so you don't have to worry about buying something from China. This is high quality vinyl, as you guys know. Avery is great for wrapping. So I'm confident this product will last. Again, just take your time. If you really don't like it, just simply pull it up. But just make sure that when you heat it, it's exactly how you want. Because once you heat it, I found if you try to pull it, it's going to stretch way too much and distort it. So I'll fast forward the rest of this so you guys can see it take shape and see the overall product. Thanks. So here's the finished product, guys. I think it looks really good. It went on really smooth. After the first wheel, I really got the hang of it. It looks really good. Don't mind the wheels are pretty dirty. You can kind of tell the parts it did clean. The part that's vinyl looks the cleanest, but it looks really good. Everything flows really nice. It tucks really good. It gave me a little excess when I heated it. It was perfect to tuck it. It's like it's spot on, great quality. If you guys are thinking about doing this, definitely check out that seller. I would definitely buy from him. It's a great product and you know it'll last. Avery vinyl is great stuff, guys. And like I said, it looks, in my opinion, looks really good. And if I ever get sick of it, I can just take it off and go back to the factory wheels. It makes it look more aggressive. My next thing to do is I'm gonna black out the window trim. And I also got some from the same seller, Coolton 604, to black that out. So I think it'll really flow. So check in a couple days. I'm gonna post that video as well, guys. Hope you guys like it. Thanks again.